All right, our next victim is on the bench. What do you think, Shop Kitty? Another one that wasn't shipped too well. You can see bent studs here. I don't like shipping these with studs. I take these studs out because they can tear up a box or cause problems, just like this. We have a broken fin here. As you can see, it's nice and clean. So this was done in shipping, and that goes just, oh, thank you, Shop Kitty, just like that. Stub axles were shipped separately here in some plastic bags. Another thing I don't really suggest, because you know these things leak, and it did. Input flange, yeah, that's going to be, that's good. Well, anyway, there it is. What a mess. It's going to get a spoon LSD in it, and 4:10 ratio, and some other little upgrades, and I guess let's get started. This is kind of fun. No interference at all. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, there's definitely some broken teeth in there. Wow. There you go. All the pinion teeth, but 1, 2, 3, yeah, maybe 5 of them are partially left, but the other 5 are completely gone. That's why you can spin this like that. I don't know if this is going to pick up or not, but I started taking the screws out of this thing, and they are twisted. Yep, these twisted. So this bearing cap was getting ready to let go. Thank God it did not, because we can still save it. The LSD is shot, but we are putting a spoon LSD in this thing, so no big deal there. So we're going to gut it and put everything brand new inside, and make this one better than it was. Yeah, that's not going to work out. Here we go. We're going to listen to this thing. Perfect. Beautiful. Super quiet. Ready to go. I'll try. Snap's gonna get pissed. Yeah. All right, now I gotta fix this stuff. These are all bent, twisted up. I took these dust shields off the axles. This thing really went through some hell. All right, well, there you go. That is a lot a bit better right there. I still have to press this one back on, but nice and flat and straight again. Good for another round. All right, now I gotta fix this stuff. These are all bent, twisted up. I took these dust shields off the axles. This thing really went through some hell. All right, well, there you go. That is a lot a bit better right there. All right, I still have to press this one back on, but nice and flat and straight again. Good for another round. Hello, Shop Kitty. Glad to see you can make it for the final part of this thing. Anyway, here it is. This thing is done. The client has a vent on another rear end at his place, so he's going to just switch out that vent because that vent's junk. Let's see, we got the dust shields look pretty good. A lot better than they did. You see that one. We stitched the two fins back on. This one was just cracked, but it was coming apart, so we went ahead and put a bead on that one. This one was completely broken from shipping, took care of that. I do not have a spoon sticker, so of course we did the old I don't know, ransom letter spoon deal. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the next job because it's a mess. Good job, Kitty? Yeah. Drive me crazy. Okay, here you go. What's it say? It says, rear end is needing to be rebuilt to a 1.5 plus due to metal noise in rear diff. If you have any questions, please call me or email me. Thank you. Hope to see the rebuild on YouTube. Yeah, smiley face. What do you think, Shop Kitty? Oh, you're all jacked up. Okay. Well, here it is. Came in this carton here, and listen to this crap. I mean, hold on. Holding it with one hand. There you go. Yeah, that's some serious metal noise. All right, let's get it out and see what we got. I have it up on the bench now, and ooh, it's bad. I mean, there's a lot of teeth missing on that pinion. You hear the stuff falling in and out of it. But yeah, this one's really blown bad. You can look at this dust shield. It's mushroomed over. That means this was pushed really hard. This side's fine. We'll open up and see what we get.